Main building. This is the main building of Cheongwade. It stands majestically at the southern foot of Bugaksan Mountain, which was considered the iconic guardian mountain of Seoul during the Joseon period. Rebuilt in 1991 during the presidency of Roh Tae-woo, the building served as an executive office and reception hall for 7 consecutive presidents, from President Roh to President Moon Jae-in. The edifice traces its origins to 1939, during the Japanese colonial period, as a residence for the Japanese Governor-General of Korea. Then, in 1948, it began to fulfill its role as the President's office and residence. Over time, however, criticism arose that the building did not appropriately reflect Korea's cultural tradition and global stature. As a result, it was rebuilt as a building inspired by traditional wooden structures and palace architecture and reopened on September 4, 1991. It features an elegant and exquisite hip and gable roof covered with more than 150,000 blue roof tiles. Construction was undertaken by Hyundai Engineering and Construction. The company said that to ensure the highest possible quality construction, the builder conducted case studies of Korean palaces such as Gyeongbokgung Palace and Changdeokgung Palace, as well as renowned hotels across the globe. The first floor of the main building consists of the Mugunghwa Room and the Inwang Room. The Mugunghwa Room served as the First Lady's office and reception room. The Inwang Room was used for meetings and small-scale banquets. The main building is flanked by 2 separate wings. The Sejong Room in the west wing was used for cabinet meetings, whereas the Chungmu Room in the east wing was used for large-scale occasions, such as appointment ceremonies. On the second floor of the main building is the Jipyeon Room, which served as the president's office and reception area, as well as a venue for summits.